Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What. Today we're going over a DIY mail organizer. So basically I went to 3 different stores for the materials. I went to Home Depot for the wood, and I went to Walmart for the hooks and the picture frame hanger, and I went to AC Moore, which is like a regular craft store like Michael's or Joann's or Hobby Lobby, for the paint and for the stencil. So I'll list all the materials down below as well as the measurements for the wood. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the button to be notified for any videos that I upload. So let's do it, guys. Let's DIY. Okay guys, so before I started to record the video, I pre-stained the wood because I wanted it to be dry so that I can film. So I will show you how to stain wood in another video, so do not worry about that. Here I am just taking measurements so that I know exactly where to nail the pieces of wood on the back without having to go over and continuously look on the other side. So here I'm just making the dots where my measurements are.